Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. Straight up, I would like to thank today's video sponsor. When I started YouTube, these guys were around. These are the original long-lasting rose company that is out there. The original ones. This is Rose Forever New York, and this is their brand new diamond lucite box for display of the roses, and you get a drawer. Hello, can you say Parisian chic amazing? I have popped some of my Chanel items down inside if you saw my post on that. These are real roses. These are natural oils, vegan. They are odor and allergy free, so you don't get that sort of pollen scent when you have natural roses or natural flowers where, you know, like my hubby, they're going to be sneezing full time. Also have a beautiful aroma that come with them. They are just gorgeous. So thank you so much to Rose Forever New York for sponsoring my video. I will leave the links to them below. Today is a fun video. Yes, it is an unboxing, and it is from a couple of vlogs ago. I picked up a bag. This was for the Chinese New Year, so February, and I picked it up. I didn't do an unboxing, like a dedicated unboxing on my channel. However, that was the one that came in. Then I went back and I exchanged it. I had it out, I unboxed it, had a look at it, and I just decided, no, I didn't want to keep it, and I want a bag from YSL so badly. I wanted something from Saint Laurent because, as I said in that vlog, which I'll link below, their quality is out of this world. Their leather quality is out of this world. And I meant every word I said, because it is, honestly, it is so beautiful and it's just next level. Their designs are really hardy. I feel like the quality in most to all of the bags and SLGs has always just been top notch. Here we go. Here is the traditional packaging, not the Chinese New Year packaging. Again, slow, slick and linear. I feel like YSL just do it so beautifully, so gorgeous, still sticking with his like suits and just that whole slick vibe. Very up my alley with the black and white, so we will go ahead. But this is what I exchanged, what I picked up. I went back and I exchanged for this bag instead. So here we are, so beautiful. Oh, that was my care booklet and receipt. Yay. Beautiful stuffing. Beautiful, substantial, luxurious dust bags. Again, I just feel like, you know, we go for Louis Vuitton. You know, LVMH has such a substantial presence in the luxury world as a huge conglomerate, but these guys, just like, if you could feel the quality of these dust bags, honestly, it's just beautiful. It's like a lined drawstring dust bag here on the wax ribbon on the side. Just so done so nicely. So I did go back from that vlog and I picked up the mini camera bag. I did try this on either in that vlog or the vlog when Mum and I went to California, and I did make mention that I did love the idea of this bag, and especially in this beautiful caramel brown color. I love this color and I do want to get it back in the gold in a Birkin. Really loved that color. I really did. I gravitate towards the gold hardware and that sort of brown caramel chocolatey color. I always wanted the caramel from the Chanel collection, but I didn't get my hands on it. But I told you in that vlog I wasn't really wanting this bag because the tassel wasn't really my vibe. When I went back to exchange it, I took Mum. We had a meeting in the city over property, and I took her with me back to Bondi Junction, and I showed it to her, and she was like, I love the tassel. That was the first thing she said, and I was like, oh, okay. She was like, why? I said, I don't gravitate to the tassel. I like a zipper pull as opposed to a tassel. I find it kind of you know, just very sort of finicky, like it's just hanging there. She loved it. She loves that it has the Saint Laurent sort of engraved around it like so. It's very shiny, beautiful hardware, and it's on a chain as well, so it can maneuver. The strap is on a chain with a leather break for your shoulder. It can't thread through so that it can go on your shoulder shorter. It's just like the same as my mini rectangular from Chanel. It just has this one length to go on your shoulder, and that is the only option. You have a small card slip on the back. This doesn't have a snap closure, but it's all leather lined. It's really beautiful. You have the shiny gold hardware in the YSL logo, and going ahead and unzipping it, you have a full zipper that comes all the way down the sides. So you're not trying to just open the top, it comes all the way down, which is beautiful access. So opening it up here, completely stuffed. See, the detail is just something else. It is something else. Again, a fully leather lined bag. So you have the 3 card holders on the back. That is all you get interior wise. Then you have Saint Laurent Paris stamped there on the bottom card holder. They are probably, yeah, they're pliable enough to fit maybe 2 or 3 cards in. If you wanted to take this just on date night or take it out for a night out, you can just fit your, you know, essentials in here and go. I got this for a, I guess, everyday kind of bag, so we will quickly put a few items in it to show you. Okay, so I just grabbed what is in my current bag right now, randomly. So I had my lip gloss that I went and put my glam on with. So that is my 722, my total go-to from Chanel. So cute. I'll probably put that inside, like I'm being honest, I'll put that inside my catch-all, which is my go-to monogram mini pochette. It's got spare cards, a bit of medicine, and I would put my lip gloss in there as well. So that's what that holds. So let's see if that goes in. So we'll pop this in. And yeah, nice. It doesn't take up, you know, a huge amount of space, but again, if you have cards you want to put in that back card holder, you can obviously do that. My current wallet at the moment is my card case, the thin card case with a pocket inside. I just put extra cards in that. So obviously that's going to fit very nicely because it's slim. Again, you're piling up cards, so you do have that option at the back. Obviously my car key is a non-negotiable. I need it to move, and that can slip down the side. Obviously you don't need a luggage tag on it. I could take that off to save space because it stays in my handbag at all times. So there is my car key, and then I have to have my 4 key. This is my go-to. I never change out of this. I did have a 6 key, however it was redundant because I didn't need to put a card in it, and I only had enough keys, I need enough keys to fit in here. So I would probably look on the sides, like to see if there's gaps to sort of fit this in. But again, you got to remember that, you know, it can open, it can move like so. So I just pop that down next to my mini pochette. This is either in my pocket, so it's not a game changer. It's not like a deal breaker for me if I can't fit it in. However, if I did not have my 4 key, just dream, slips down inside. So that really compartmentalized type thing. A bit of cash, we can put that in the card holder at the back. Cash down there, you don't need your keys. This is some spare coins. I always have my round coin purse. I hate coins, so I always have my round coin purse. I mean, that's probably max, right? Phone, mini pochette, current wallet is my card holder, my car key, bit of cash. Again, I could still fit extra cards if need be, and we zip up because again, it's quite pliable. Oh yeah, I can already tell you, I'm gonna love this. I really am. I really am. I had my pochette Matisse, but I think I'm gonna wear this now for the rest of the day. The details are so beautiful. It's got little rivets here that you can see. there underneath the chain, obviously, which is holding the strap on. Just beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. See, I'm so much happier. And I didn't do the unboxing of the other one. It was the, I'm forgetting the name now. The other one, I'll throw a picture in here. But yes, very happy with this. So gorgeous as a little go-to run-around bag. So gorgeous. I will leave links to it below if you want to check it out. Of course, Saint Laurent is online. You can shop online. It's amazing. Hi Chanel. God. But yeah, again, just such an amazing brand. I know a lot of girls and guys in the luxury community have this, a lot of Saint Laurent. So just again, I think putting these labels, these design houses in profile, you know, back in the luxury community in a big way is just really beautiful and important. Okay, so that is it guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and wish to do so, I would super appreciate that. There is a button below. I hope everybody is doing really well guys. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.